Shiba Inu's price in April. As we turn the page to a new month, guys, some interesting things showing by one metric. We're going to dive into it. It's called the token age consumed metric. We're going to talk about what that is, what it shows, and historically speaking, where the price of SHIB could go. Recently, I just talked about this in the last video. We have broken out of some consolidation. It is dialing back a little bit. Let's take a look at the price, and then we'll come back over here and talk about the rest of April. So you can see on screen, we're sitting at the 1087 level, actually down slightly here to start the day. Bitcoin dialing back a little bit here in the last hour or so. Still up on the week, about 1%, but Bitcoin has been on a tear and everything's funneling back into Bitcoin. Even the altcoins, they'll go up a little bit and then that money will come right back into Bitcoin, meaning the Bitcoin dominance continues to go up. Right now it's at 46.4%. Of all crypto is in Bitcoin. Now, when you exclude the stable coins, Bitcoin's dominance is even much bigger than that, right? Right around 55%. I could see it actually going to 60, 65 before the altcoins start really rallying, but we'll see. But going back to this right here, so SHIB's price continues to underperform. We did break out a little bit yesterday, but still a recent on-chain development could signal the start of a pending bull run for SHIB, and that is the token age consume metric. What does this show? Well, it shows us the number of tokens changing addresses on a certain date multiplied by the time since they last moved, according to sentiment. Now, SHIB staged its largest spike of the year on the token age consumed metric on March 20th, not too long ago. And right here, you can see it on the graph. There's a huge signal where a number of large token holders are moving after being idle for quite some time. Now, the last time SHIB's token age consumed soared this much was back on January the 9th, earlier this year. This resulted in a bull rally that took the SHIB price, moving up the SHIB price 73%. So if that repeats itself, where could we go here this month? If we see a similar type of move, a 70% move, that would take us all the way to the 4017 level. And that is an area that we've been before. And if we go back out, let me go back over to the SHIB chart here. It's been a little while, but we've been here before not too long ago. Just in the last 3 months, we got up to the 15 level. We go out to the 3-month here. That was that one little pop we had back in early February right here where we took us all the way from where we were basically here this morning at the 1142, and we rose all the way up to the 15 level here. So it's interesting because now we're back here in this same range. You could see the consolidation that we've seen in the last month. Couple dips here and there to the 10, but then really a tight range here in the last month. That's why we've been saying expect some volatility. We're not going to trade sideways like this forever, and especially when it comes to SHIB, which is a very volatile asset. Another good sign for us here, volume is up 73%, 375 million coming in here in the last 24 hours. So we could see, again, here this April, if this metric plays out like it did in the past, back in January, we could see a price rally here all the way to the 4017 level. Here in April, we'll be keeping tabs on it for you, of course, and we'll see if this plays out. And appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you in the next one.